Hi, my name is Adriana Caro, and this is my Mod 11 video, Gifts to Students or Staff. The first section is gift giving to students. There's two different types of gifts. You have the fundraising incentive gifts, and you have the special achievement gifts. As far as fundraising incentive gifts go, they must only be given to the students who participated in the fundraising activity. They must be age appropriate and not affect the overall profitability. And these gifts should only be purchased with funds raised by student group receiving the gifts. When it comes to special achievement gifts, these would be special achievements like sports awards, academic awards. These gifts should be nominal in value and age appropriate once again. Now, the funding from these gifts can come from the general fund, or they can also come from donations from businesses or parent groups, or if they are sports awards, they can come from the athletic fund. Now, gift giving to staff members, I think is broken into three. You have the special occasion gifts, which I'll talk about first. Now, these special occasion gifts must be reasonably priced and usually paid for with staff remembrance funds. Now, what a remembrance fund is, this comes from the annual dues, staff donations, or they're raised specifically by the staff, whether it be from vending machines or anything like that. These must be managed by a committee that has set written procedures, and this committee should meet at least once a year to review those guidelines and using and contributing to this fund. And this membership should rotate every year. Now, you have fundraising incentive gifts, and this is a specific fundraising project like a t-shirt fundraiser, I think was the example the book gave. If they participate in the fundraising project, then it is only appropriate that the gift is given. Now, these gift items must be reasonable in cost, once again, specifically no more than 5% of the overall profit. And then finally, you have the all staff gifts. This could be like at the beginning of the year or something like that. And the rule of thumb they have here that I put in quotes, if the staff generates the funds, it is appropriate to use the funds to benefit the staff. And that kind of, I feel like, applies also to the student funds, to the student gift giving, I'm sorry. One thing to add here is that no cash or must be given or can be given unless that amount is added to the employee's W-2. Now, finally, you have the third section of the book, of the chapter, is the special efforts for specific students or staff members. And this is for special cases where you may have like illnesses or new baby funerals, etc. For this, you would definitely want to seek advice from the district accounting department to make sure you cover your bases. Any money that is received from the school must be part of the employee's taxable wages and must also be reported to the district payroll office. So this one's kind of tricky. So the best approach is to just ask a parent organization within the school community to coordinate on the school's behalf. Something very, very important is to not have these funds accounted in your bookkeeping records. And that is my presentation, just keeping it simple. Thank you.